Good morning. Good morning, world. First of all, the coffee, no bueno. Today we are grabbing the crew and going to, where are we going? I think it's Villa Escudero. If I'm right, it's never so easy to pronounce the right name of the place we're going to. Where are we going? Guys, where are we going? What's the plan?
I don't know, let's go there and die.
Go there and what?
Die.
Die?
Yes.
Like,
I hope you don't go around there. It has lots of crocodiles. Ooh, that's a girl carabao.
that's a girl carnival.
It's eating love.
Now I got it. His name is sexy because
I think it's starting
it says
to rain. If it's raining
right
now,
there.
I'll be happy.
What's our next stop? Gotta figure out what the next stop is.
The Poo Man Grove.
The what?
The Poo Man.
The Poo Mangrove?
No.
Where they were
See, that's you.
I know, exciting.
What's up?
Mary B! Hi! Oh.
Will I make it to the club?
You will make it in if that's what you want, yes. There's a waterfall! And it's Asia. Asia means it's full of people.
Good at pictures, not at videos. Not mine.
Always an awkward feeling, right?
Yeah, awkward feeling.
They don't want to be awkward.
Wet.
We are wet.
And
Like
why
the rainy kind of wet. No, only wet. Only wet. Because it's raining so much. I guess the idea was to eat lunch here, but it fell into the water. No pun intended. Worst joke ever. Crazy day, crazy resort, dances, rafting, man! It's a fun land, it really is. So anyhow, time to dip in the pool and live life.